Hello students, today we are going to discuss a electron dot structure in which one single bond represented by two dots and two bonds are represented by four dots and triple bond represented by six dots. That is, if we draw double bond, that is we put four dots, because by one bond is placed by two electron and these two electron represented by two dots, each electron represented by one dot. Okay, how? Because by the sharing of electron, bond is formed and the single bond contains two electrons. That's why in the place of single bond we place two electrons. This is because every bond consists of two shared electrons between the atom. For example, methane. Methane, that is CH4, CH. And since, as we know, the carbon is tetravalent, so the four bonds are connected between carbon and hydrogens. So for the single bond, two dots are represented here, and for the other single bond, two dots are represented here, and similarly all positions. These dots are put in the middle of the both atom because the electronegativity between two atoms are almost negligible. Similarly, ethane, the carbon atom, two carbon atoms are connected by single bonds, so two dots are present here. Similarly, and the hydrogen is connected by another single bonds, so represent each hydrogen atom and carbon atom contains two dots between them. Similarly, each carbon is connected with hydrogen. Similarly, ethene या ethylene. Ethene is a IUPAC name. This one is IUPAC name because IL is present in this name, so this name is common name. Similarly, ethyne and acetylene. Ethyne is a IUPAC name because YN is present here, but acetylene में YL की presence जो है इसकी वजह से ये common name हो जाता है. तो ethene या ethylene, the formula of ethylene is C2H4, the formula of ethene is also a C2H4, that is both name are common for the C2H4. Just because of ene, carbon carbon double bond are present here, so four dots present in the carbon carbon atoms. Next, ethine. In ethine also the ethine triple bond, carbon carbon triple bond, hence six dots are present between the carbon carbon triple bond. And the common name of C2H4 is ethylene, and the IUPAC name of C2H4 is ethene, and the common name of C2H2 is acetylene. As we already discussed, the IUPAC name of the C2H2 is ethine. For two carbons ethine, and the formula put by the CnH2 and -2, it is called ethine, as we already discussed in offline and online classes. Similarly, you have to do in your notebook the draw the electron dot structure of the following these 10 questions. Firstly, you have to check is the C3H6 is alkane, alkene, alkyne. Firstly, mention the carbon number 3. 3 means prop. For 3 carbons, root word is prop, and the formula is contain C3H6, यानी कि 3 2 6 जस्ट डबल है तो क्या हो सकता है हमारा एल्कीन ईन. तो हम क्या फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे प्रोपीन का, दैट इज द 3 कार्बन्स आर कनेक्टेड बाय सिंगल बॉन्ड in between 2 carbons there is double bond present. So by the putting the hydrogen valencies is fulfilled, the first carbon, second carbon and third carbon. First carbon contains double bond, that is 2 valencies are other by the hydrogen. The second carbon 3 bonds 1 2 3, देन 4 कार्बन 4 बॉन्ड, सिमिलरली द थर्ड कार्बन पे हम 3H पुट कर देंगे, काउंट करेंगे तो वही आएगा। अब हम इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर, तो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू चेक द नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड एंड आफ्टर दैट by the draw of the structure, then electron dot structure is draw. Thank you class.